Today we'll talk about how can you find your history on your Reverso context app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you click above this sign here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, so you just click here on history here. When you just click here on history, then it's going to take you to next here. Then you click here on history here. Here you will find all. So then here you will find all history you have. So I have no history here yet, but if you have it, can you find it here in this list on your Reverso context app? So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.